Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. If you have a lot of browns or beige in your home decor or would like to have contrast in your color scheme with the beautiful vase and/or votive candle holders, keep watching. And if you'd like to see more of my upcoming DIYs and hauls, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Here are the materials you will need for this project. I will include them in the description below. Although not included here, I also used E6000 and opted not to use the stones. Let's get started with the vases. I'm using the smaller 7.25 inch of the 3-cylinder vases Dollar Tree has as my candle votive, and one of my favorite silver ceramic candle holders. I will adhere them together using E6000. Initially, my plan was to use hot glue only, but the hot glue adheres so quickly and doesn't allow for adjusting the pieces in place. I will allow the E6000 to cure for 24 hours before proceeding. After the 24 hours, I can now accent my votive with flower mesh I spray painted with Rustoleum hammered brown spray paint, using hot glue to adhere 1 row at the rim and 2 rows at the bottom of the glass votive. I will repeat the same steps with the second votive as well. Although pretty, I'm thinking the hammered brown would work better with my decor. After testing it, as you can see here, I think this would be a more cohesive look. Therefore, I prepared the votives and spray painted the silver candle holders. Here are my results and I love it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Now on to the vase, which is 9 inches. I spray painted it with Rustoleum Almond with a gloss finish. I used the other design in the silver candle holder that Dollar Tree has as a transition to the Votives, and also spray painted it in the hammered brown. I'm using E6000 to adhere the vase to the candle holder, which allows me to easily position it in place. After cleaning any excess glue, I allow it to cure for 24 hours. After curing, as with the Votives, I accented the rim with 1 row of flower mesh, but instead of 2 rows at the bottom, I used 3. This vase turned out beautiful. I'm now cutting to size and securing with hot glue floral styrofoam for installment of onion grass sprays from Dollar Tree. This is my completed look. I would like to take this time to thank all of my new subscribers for your support. Please like, comment, and share my videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notifications for new upcoming videos. Until the next one, God bless.